Today on Positive Talk Daily, we're talking about the top 5 common bank fraud scams. Banking scams are getting smarter every year. Scammers are figuring out new tricks to steal your money, personal information. Today, we're going to tell you how to be careful and not fall victim to one of these types of scams. Today on Positive Talk Daily, your home for positive talk. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube page at Mr. Positive Live. Click on the bell icon and get notified when we post new videos or go live. The number 5 scam to avoid in 2025 for banking scams is AI-powered bank scams. Now, how does this work? I'm going to tell you that right now. Technology is making it easier and more convenient for scammers to use artificial intelligence to create fake voices and emails and chat services. So they can use these fake voiceovers or AI voices to mimic real businesses. A common AI scam works like this. You get a phone call that sounds like your bank. The voice on the other line may even know your name and have details. They're able to copy and paste information about you, throw it into an AI program, and generate a fake voiceover and a fake person. And they can make it really sound like a real person. Sometimes they use AI gathering personal details from your social media or other social media accounts or other accounts you may have. You can protect yourself by being cautious with unexpected phone calls. Even if the number looks familiar, scammers can still fake the caller ID. They may ask you to confirm your account number and send you a security code, and there they can steal your passwords and change your information, and this is a way they can fool you. We talked about yesterday on our scammer alert video where we talked about a new scam that's going around where they're sending people a link it's like an Amazon, it's like a text message to your phone, and they want you to go into your Amazon account and change your password. Basically, they'll send you a security code, making it sound like their Amazon customer service. When it comes down to it, it's actually the scammers using that security code to change your password to get access to your banking information. And once they get into it, they can steal all kinds of stuff. Open up accounts in your name and stuff like that. They're also doing the same thing using this AI-powered banking scam where they can fool you. Number 2, the fake bank website app. Scammers create fake websites and apps that look just like the real banking platform that you might use to do your checking account or savings account. This tricks a lot of people and makes them log into using their login information and credentials. And this is a way that scammers can pretend to be from your bank by creating look-alike accounts or look-alike websites that look like legit banking sites. You might get an email or a text saying your account is locked and you need to log in to fix the link that fix the problem, and they'll have you click on the link. This takes you to a website that looks just like your banking website, but they're actually trying to gather your information. To stay safe from this type of scam, always go to your bank's website by typing in the real URL yourself. Or you can even call your bank by their phone number and find out if that's actually their website or not. If they're asking for you to pay through Google Play or like Apple gift cards, something like that, you can also look up their verified apps by going to the Google Play website or Apple's App Store to find out if it's legit or not. Now, the best thing you can do if this is a scam that you've seen on your email or even text message is not to click on any suspicious links. Look for any fuzzy logos, any misspelling grammars. That's usually where you can tell it's fake. Look where the email is coming from. If it's not coming from an actual domain, maybe it's coming from a spoofed account, you'll be able to tell by missing grammar, or if it says Gmail or anything like that. No business account is really using a Gmail account, especially a bank will not use a Gmail to associate with their clients. Now, unless you set up text messaging from your bank to get, a check on maybe on something you ordered or something like that, a lot of times people who have the banking apps will sign up for text messages or emails. But your bank is never going to actually email you through a bogus email. Nobody does business that way unless you want them to do it that way. And no bank is ever going to text message you unless you sign up for text messages to your account. Moving on to number 3, person-to-person money scams and wire transfer scams. We talked about this yesterday. I'm someone that works at CVS, so I see this a lot where people are using, money orders like Western Union or MoneyGram to send money, but there's also other ways where you can wire transfer or send money through Zelle, Venmo, or even Cash App. These services like Zelle and Venmo and wire transfers making sending money easier, but once you send money, it's almost impossible to get it tracked because scammers just take it, and that's why they have you using third-party applications. One common scam involves fraudsters posing as a seller on the online marketplace, say like Facebook Marketplace, eBay. You might be trying to buy concert tickets to a rental property or a rare item like a car. Now, they're asking you to pay with Zelle without meeting in person or send a wire transfer. Let's say they're not in this country and they're telling you they're overseas. They claim that they're trying to get you to do it fast. And a lot of these scammers will try to get you to do it fast. That's usually one of the things. If anybody's asking you to wire them money through Zelle, say it's an online dating scam or somebody who's trying to sell a product, it's too good to be true. Normally, if they're asking you to pay without seeing them or meeting them directly, it's good chances it's a scam. Another scam involves buying fake products. Someone accidentally overpays, then they want you to send that money back to them. That happens a lot on eBay. A good way to protect yourself is to only send money through official channels to people you know and trust. If someone is trying to get you to send money fast, chances are it's a scam. Always do it either in person or do it through a trusted money source that someone you might know through your bank or something. This one is very common. This is number 4. This is the suspicious fake text messaging scam, basically a phishing scam. These messages often say something urgent. Scammers send fake text messages pretending to be from your bank. These messages often are very urgent. They're making it sound like it's important and you have to do it right away. Suspicious activity detected on your account. You may receive that type of warning. Your debit card has been locked. Usually it's one of these types of scams you see. If you click on any of these suspicious links and then give them your PIN number, chances are they're able to lock your account and get access to it and change passwords and stuff like that. If you get a text message from your bank, don't click on, if you get a message claiming to be from your bank, never click on any suspicious links. Call your bank right away and find out if they actually did send you something or not. Protect your identity. Number 5, check fraud and deposit scams. This one we see commonly on job apps like Indeed, even on Facebook Marketplace. People out there looking for jobs and stuff like that, like kind of classifieds things and stuff like that. Scammers often commit to check fraud. One of the common check scams is when someone sends you a fake check. Then you're asked to send that money back. They're asking you to deposit that fake check into your bank account. And your bank does have ways to see if it's fraud or not, and they will warn you before you take that check to the bank. A lot of times, though, it takes a few days for that money to process. So some banks, you're able to take that money out, and that's what the scammers are hoping, that you'll send that extra money back to them. It could be a scam like a job scam, where they send you money. Say they'll send you $3,000. You got to send them back like $2,000 or something like that, and you end up bouncing your bank account, and then you owe the money back. A prize, Some of these will claim that you won a prize, but you have to send back a small fee. And number 3, a rent payment. Sometimes you see that with fake rentals on Facebook Marketplace. After you deposit it, they will ask you to send back some money before the check bounces. Once it does, you're responsible for the lost funds. Scammers also steal checks from mailboxes and change the payee's name to cash. And one of the ones I talked about yesterday on our Scammer Alert videos was also about where some of these scammers are actually going as far as calling to pretend to be employees of a job company. They may steal your name and they may find your information online or social media, pretend to be you, saying, hey, I need to change my direct deposit, and it goes into the fraudster's account. This is one of those things they're trying to do as well. They're also targeting companies. How to protect yourself from banking scams. Now, you can easily protect yourself from these scams. Scammers are always coming up with new ways to steal your money. You can protect yourself by following these steps. Number 1, use strong passwords and multiple factory authorizations, which is MFA. Number 2, monitoring your bank accounts regularly, making sure you know what's going on. Receiving text messages from your bank. You could always head to your local bank and tell them in person, hey, I want to sign up for text messages, and they'll do that right there at the actual bank. Number 3, be skeptical of urgent requests, because anybody rushing to get payment, chances are it's a scam. Number 4, shared sensitive documents. Be aware of that. Number 5, stay informed. And number 6, if you ever suspect fraud, contact your bank immediately. By staying cautious and taking these steps, you can reduce your risk of falling for a scam, and your finances will be more secured. Stay informed from scams by watching more Mr. Positive Live YouTube videos. More coming soon right here on Mr. Positive Live. Thanks for watching.